Thank you everyone for joining. We are now doing a demonstration on how to get a phone quote with Union General through USLI. So what you'll quickly do is just dial that number you see in the top left-hand corner, 844-244-1120, and you'll be quickly connected to one of our underwriters with USLI. You can quote any of these 55 products that you see here in front of you. So I'm going to go ahead and dial that number and get one of our underwriters. Hi, Mike. Do we have you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Mm-hmm.
Hi, Mike. So this is Jonathan Chernoff, the InstaQuote Marketing Specialist. We're going to be doing a demonstration on how to get a phone quote here for a lawn care product in the state of California. Would you be able to help us out?
Sure, I can help you out. So they're just doing basic lawn care, mowing and blowing only?
Correct. Just mow and blow operation.
Okay. And no tree trimming, tree removal, other operations?
Correct.
Okay. Any losses or claims in the last 3 years?
No losses or claims.
Okay, so this is out of California?
Correct.
Okay, and how many employees are there for this?
I would say 3 employees.
Okay, and what are the annual gross sales?
I'd say 80,000.
Okay, and could I have a zip code for the location address?
Yep, 90002.
And what limit of liability do you need?
That's $1 million.
Okay. Okay, so based off of that information, we can offer a quote here submitted to United States Liability Insurance Company for a $1 mil, $2 mil general liability. You're looking at $625 total for the year. Okay,
terrific. Thank you very much for your help, Mike.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
That's everything. You have a great rest of the day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Mike. Bye-bye. All right, everyone, as we can see, that's the process for getting a phone quote. Again, dial that number, 844-244-1120, and that's how quickly you can get a quote turned around. Thank you. Have a great rest of the day.